The Chips for America Fund is a $50 billion investment by the U.S. government to revitalize the domestic semiconductor industry. But what is the real cost of this fund for the U.S. economy, and why is it creating a national nightmare? Semiconductors are the tiny chips that power everything from smartphones to satellites. They are essential for innovation and competitiveness in many sectors, such as artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and defense. However, the U.S. has been losing its edge in semiconductor manufacturing and research for decades, as other countries like China, Taiwan, and South Korea have invested heavily in their own chip industries. The Chips for America Fund aims to reverse this trend by providing incentives and grants for domestic chip production and research. The fund also seeks to protect national and economic security by reducing the U.S.'s dependence on foreign suppliers, especially those that pose a threat to its interests. Moreover, the fund promises to create good-paying jobs and support the U.S.'s leadership in emerging technologies. However, not everyone is convinced that the Chips for America Fund is a good idea. Some critics argue that the fund is a wasteful and inefficient use of taxpayer money that will distort the market and create unfair competition. They claim that the fund will benefit only a few large corporations that already dominate the industry, while hurting smaller and more innovative firms that cannot access the subsidies. They also warn that the fund will trigger a global chip war that will escalate trade tensions and harm international cooperation. The Chips for America Fund is a controversial and risky gamble by the U.S. government to regain its dominance in the semiconductor industry. But will it pay off or backfire? And what are the implications for the U.S. economy and its global role? In this video, we will explore these questions and more.